In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync contacts from your Google account. If you're looking to manage your contacts separately from your Google account, this guide will walk you through the process of unsyncing them, allowing you to keep your contacts organized the way you want. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, right at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture or icon. This is usually located near the search bar, providing quick access to your account settings. Give that a click and it will bring up a menu with several options related to your account. In this menu, you'll see something labeled Sync is on. This indicates that your contacts and possibly other data are currently syncing across your devices. Click on Sync is on and this will lead you to the sync settings page. This is a helpful tool if you're using multiple devices, but if you prefer not to have your contacts shared or you want to manage them locally, you'll need to turn this feature off. Once you're on the sync settings page, look for the option to turn off sync. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to do this. By turning off sync, you'll prevent your contacts from automatically updating across devices connected to this particular Google account. Confirm the action, and just like that, you've successfully unsynced your contacts from your Google account. Keep in mind that after turning off sync, any changes you make to contacts on one device won't be reflected on others until you choose to turn sync back on. This can be advantageous if you want to maintain different contact lists on different devices, or if you're concerned about privacy and data sharing. It's important to remember that while unsyncing stops future syncing, it doesn't delete contacts from your Google account itself. If you want to manage contacts entirely independently, you may need to perform additional steps such as exporting your contacts or manually deleting them from your Google account, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily unsync your contacts from your Google account in just a few minutes. This process provides you with more control over your data and how it is shared across the different devices you use. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.